Right, so we've got this 12-mile gap between the two towns. The two trains leave each town at the same time. This is one train, and this is my other train. I suppose I should probably give them wheels. And so Busy Town is at 5 miles per hour, and Lazy Town is 15 miles per hour. So the combined speed is 20 miles per hour. So this gap, this 12-mile gap, is closing at 20 miles per hour. Now, 20 miles per hour is 12 miles in 60 minutes. So how long would it take to travel 12 miles? Well, we divide the 20 by 5 and then times it by 3. Do the same thing on the other side. So that gives me 36 minutes. And that's how long it takes for the gap to close to 0. And when the gap is 0, that's when the trains will pass each other. So the answer is 36 minutes.